Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Nutraessence subscription. Okay, so basically when you place any order on their website, there is an option like subscribe and save, and if you forget to untick the option, they will activate subscription on your account. Okay, so first thing you can do, you need to visit on the official website, and in the bottom side in the footer section when you visit, there is a option like manage subscription. When you click on the manage subscription button, it will redirect you on this kind of page, and on this page you need to enter your details like your email ID you need to provide. Okay, and once you enter your email ID, you need to click on send link, and once you click on send link, you need to open your email, and in the email they will provide you a code. You need to enter the code and you can log in into your account, and you can visit on your subscription section, and you can manage, you can pause, you can cancel your subscription very easily if you are not a technical person. Okay, and if you don't know anything, and if this option is not available for you, so in this case what you can do, you can contact with the customer support by using their email address. Okay, you need to compose an email format you can see on your screen, and in the end you need to add one extra line, that is like you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and or you can take help from ChatGPT also. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address, that is like support@mynutraessence.com, which is also available on their official website. And once you send the email, once they receive your email, they will send you a confirmation email like your subscription is ended or not. If you don't get any reply from their side, it means your subscription is still active and they are going to charge on your account. So in this case what you can do, you can contact with their customer support, you can try to contact. If you don't get any reply from their side, it means you need to cancel your credit card. Okay, you need to call your customer support of your credit card provider, and you need to tell them, please block my credit card. You need to reapply your new credit card. Only this is the last option. And if we talk about like when you get a new card, there is new credit card number, there is new expiry date, there is each and everything is new, so the subscription will automatically end it. Okay, from your side, this is the last option, this is the only last option, because in these kind of conditions in today's time, these kind of brands are, you can like, taking money from the customers, and the customers are not able to cancel their subscription very easily. So this is the last option to cancel your card, or you can contact your card provider to cancel your subscription. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.